I'm going to Maldives. Travel agent is not picking up our phone. Look where we are. This is me. It brings out the other side of me. I cannot wait to leave this place. They were like, ma'am, go cover up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shrima Reddy and I create content on beauty, lifestyle and travel. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to Maldives and this is the second time that I'm going, and I'm going with my girl gang. So I'm super excited. Na friends enta cute ga night anta lesundi nannu airport lo drop chesinaru. I am at the airport right now. I have to go find Harini. She came inside, so she was the first one to arrive. Kangsha and Navya are late as usual. When you see the crowd, you understand it's Bombay Airport. We have a connecting flight. Too many hours to go. We are here in Maldives and we have to take a taxi. Usually, like, people come here and go to these places, these counters, and they go to their resorts directly, but we are not going to the resort today. We are going tomorrow. So today we are just going to explore the public island. I don't know how it's going to be like because I've never been to public island. Last time also I've just directly went to Nakai Digri, which was my resort. So let's see how it goes. It feels so nostalgic to be here again after 4 years or 5 years, I think. Just look at the blue water. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now we are taking a taxi to go to Hulumali. This is basically Hulumali itself. And our hotel is, I think, 10 minutes away from here. So we are trying to find a bigger cab. I think we found it. I'm having sugar after so long. It's actually very basic, but this is what we wanted because we are not staying here for a very long time. Look at my case. It has suction cases on it. See the balcony. This is the view from the balcony. She's literally the tiniest cat I've seen ever. Oh, she's as small as a big rat. We are staying very close to the beach. It's literally a minute walk away. Spotted samosa in Maldives. This is chicken salad. It's a Kangsha's. That is a sandwich. Harini's. And this is her pasta. And mine, probably all of them together. Yeah, it kind of looks like Goa. We walked for 10 minutes and we came to an ATM because none of us got cash and we are taking it in dollars right now. Hi guys, it's day 2 and today we are going to Ranali like I said yesterday, and the guy is not picking up, the travel agent is not picking up our phone. They were supposed to come here and pick up us at the hotel that we are staying and take us to the ferry, and by ferry we were supposed to go to Ranali, but we decided we are going to get ready and go to Velina Airport, find the ferry and go all by ourselves because we do not want to stay here. It's not a great vibe also, the hotel, so we would rather, because we are taking a water villa today, we would rather like spend more time there than in this pothole. So let's get ready. Is fasting today anta. Yeah. Asal vacation lo nenu no sugars only I'm not able to do. I don't know how she's going to do fasting. What happens when you borrow a comb from a curly hair girly. I'm all ready and the sun is out a little bit, which is amazing, not complaining at all. Also, ninka koncham pack cheskune undi. I cannot wait to leave this place, guys. Like, it's a little too small for me. I hate small spaces, small rooms. I like my rooms and everything to be spacious. So hopefully Ranali is going to be good. I am super excited. This is my dress. It looks pretty cute, I feel, and it is also a little thick, so it's going to give me that warmth if I need. To go to Adaran kiosk and show our voucher.
What did I tell you about revealing the location?
But Ranali is nice. What are you saying? I have my coffee. I don't know how I'm going to manage this coffee in the boat. She has her chamomile tea. She's giving us the safety jackets because it's a small speedboat. How are you going to hold your tea? Oh my god, it's just nice. We got our keys. How excited are you, Navya?
Once I go to the washroom.
She has to pee. She's been stopping her pee ever since we sat in that boat. So me and Navya decided not to have lunch because Navya is obviously fasting and I am a little full with the pizza. I shouldn't have had pizza. I should have just had coffee or something. Oh my god, look at this. Hi, cutie. But why did he give us bungalow?
No, I don't think this is ours.
Look where we are.
405 anunde ikkada idi.
I think there's a small confusion because today we had water villa, but they gave us keys for a bungalow. But I don't know, like I'll have to go ask at the reception what is the scene. I don't mind if today we are getting beach villa and on the last day we are getting water villa. I don't really mind that, but let's see what's the availability because we paid for it. I just went and I spoke to them and they said like the travel agent kind of messed up. They told us that on 16th we are going to check into the water villa. So it's basically the last day. So like I said, I don't mind that. And right now we are going to stay in the beach villa. And the best part is because it's already too late. Like it's almost like 3, 4. I don't really mind that we are going into a beach villa because our day is not wasted at the water villa. On 16th we can start our day early and spend our time in the water villa and experience everything possible. And I hope it does not rain that day. I hope it is sunny on that day so we can experience the best kind of villa. Now we are again in search of 243. And she still need to pee. I just hope the rooms are clean, nothing else. Like I don't expect 5-star, but the rooms have to be clean. I changed into my bikini. It looks very pretty. I'll put up a picture right here if I take any. But now I need to decide what shades I'm wearing. And also put some body sunscreen. Best thing is it also gives like nice body glow.
Look at mine.
Do you want hair glue or something?
Kind of waterlogging after coming back I can. It's alright.
These shades look so good, but I don't think I can get these shades because they are very expensive. So koncham poina parledu anna shades vettukunta. Bondi. Chala bondi. You think there are people who would wait?
Wow, I like your bag.
Thanks. So every time I get this like very brown beige color, I felt like 2024, sorry, 2025 is going to be the year where I have to use poppy colors. Hence,
Yeah.
Mari poi ikkada port there, we can find something very secluded, no?
Yeah.
I mean, this is not a port, but yeah. I personally didn't like like the staff over here. They are not like friendly or nice or warm. Last time that I was here, the staff was so friendly and it was very, very nice. But this time it's just so weird. I don't know. I think it's the whole thing that happened politically, or this guy or like these people are particularly like that. This is the restaurant, and my friends are already eating without me. Yeah, she's done. The food options are not like extremely amazing, but they're pretty fine. I'm having grilled chicken with chili sauce, sweet chili sauce. Not that great. We just came back from the dinner and entertainment was so bad. So I'm here to like brush my teeth, freshen up. I don't know if I have to like take a head shower because I know for sure that tomorrow in the morning I'm getting into the water. So I think now that I'm saying it, I feel like I should not do the head shower because it's not worth it. I might do it like tomorrow evening. That makes sense because tomorrow I do really plan on going on snorkeling because that's something that I really want to do. After spending like a day in this island, I still feel like, you know, it could have been much better. Like there are a couple of things that I didn't like about this resort. A is hospitality, not that great. And second is like the whole resort in general. It's a very like basic AF resort. Like it's not like wow or like this is so cool sort of. Last time where I stayed, like we stayed in a beach villa, but like we could see the beach like, just like right in front of us, you know, right from our bed. But here it's not like that. It's very different. And like, you know what happened? I went for dinner. So we went for a swim in the evening, and then we were like sitting outside to like dry ourselves up, and we were like chatting for a very, very long time, and we directly went for dinner. So I was wearing this like bikini top, and I was wearing the bottom, and I put a cover up on the bottom. So I went in, and as soon as like I was thinking I have to grab a plate and eat, they were like, "Ma'am, go cover up, like wear a cover up and come." So that was I was taken back because last time when I was here, I was obviously like not in this island. The other island was pretty chill because. You know, we wore like whatever bikini and a small cover up, and we used to go have lunch. And then from lunch, we used to directly go into the water and swim and stuff like that. So it was pretty chill. Like something like this never happened to me, but this time it did happen. So, will I come back to Maldives or no? I think my answer is 90% no, unless and until it's my life partner that I want to come and experience with. But it also depends on what I'm experiencing this time. If the quality has fallen down, then I don't think I'm coming back because it's not like it's a small amount, right? Like we are spending so much money to come here and stay. But if we are getting basic as F you know, facilities, amenities, I would say, if we are getting like basic amenities for the amount that we paid, then it's just like not okay. I would rather like go to a newer country and experience something new, and I would meet people who are like more warm and stuff like that. Guys, it's day 3, and today we are gonna go snorkeling. We also have the gear ready right now, and I wore like a very cute bikini. I'm gonna put up a picture again over here, and also I'll link all the bikinis for you guys so it's easier. And last night I braided my hair. Turned out like this. I think it's super, super nice and sultry, which I like. And this is not my vibe in the city, but when I am at the beach, I feel like this is me. It brings out the other side of me. Now we are getting ready. They all went to breakfast, and I did not end up going because for me, sleep is more than anything. I can like stay hungry for like 10 hours, but not sleepless. So I just decided to like sleep a little more, got like 2 hours more of sleep because last night we slept around like for what 4:30. Akanksha is also ready. at the beach right now. We have chosen another location and it's quite beautiful. It is also sunny a little bit, but it's also drizzling a little bit. It's just a mix of both. But I'm just grateful it is a little warm. It's not like raining like crazy. So yeah, I think we're gonna take like a couple of pictures because all of us look so pretty today and probably have like the best time. We took a couple of pictures, but it was quite sunny and Neen would have breakfast really. So I said I'm a little hungry, so I want to eat something and go, because if I go into the water, then I don't want to come out for at least an hour and a half. And I'm gonna starve inside, which is not the feeling that I want. So all of them were sweet enough to consider that, and then we all like came out. Now we came here because I wanted to like have, like, we all should cover up to go to the restaurant according to the rules. So we came to the room, but Navya forgot to take the key and she logged it directly. So she went to get help and I am right now waiting here. Changed into this as a cover up. I don't like what is going on here, but at this moment I don't really care. Dination tarvata we went back to the beach and మేము మా snorkeling gear వేసేసుకొని we snorkeled for 1 hour, then we went to Zumba. దెన్ స్నాక్ టైం అయింది కాబట్టి మేము బార్కి వెళ్ళి స్నాక్స్ తెచ్చుకున్నాం అండ్ ఇది మా స్నాక్స్ని చోరీ చేసింది. We came to play TT and I feel like even this play area is also so sad, like zero effort done on the ambience. We wanted to play foosball and even the table is broken. Shawarma, chicken shawarma, but obviously with a lot of veggies. I think it's a shawarma, bro. That's what he told me. With he put.
You took without this, I took with this.
Yeah. And then we have paneer today, so I'm excited for paneer. We have some sweet corn. Obviously, papad is like the best thing over here. And so basically, they had these rotis for shawarma. I said, just give me this because I want to eat with the paneer, and we have noodles. Hopefully, even if one of these things work out and are nice, that's more than enough. The dinner was nice today, so no complaints, and even the person who was serving us, the waitress, she came and spoke to us really well. Felt really good. She's also from India, so she said it's pretty nice over here, but also sometimes it gets lonely. So kind of felt sad for them because their work is literally in one small island. They can not go out as much and roam or like get a free time off from the workspace. So that's a little sad. Tomorrow we are going to scuba. I went to scuba center, spoke to him and stuff like that. So he was pretty kind. They did look excited, and I asked them to show a couple of pictures of the corals and everything, and they did look nice. So let's see tomorrow how it's going to be. I think they are charging around like $213 per person with video, so it is a little expensive. Last time that I came, I think I spent around like 7,000 rupees per person, because the dollar rate back then was 72 rupees, so $100 was the charge, but now it's literally double the amount, and we can't really say no because we are now in the island and we have no choice but to do it. By the way, I feel like in the entire day Zumba was super fun. So initially when I was, having my lunch, there was this Zumba instructor guy who he looked so fun. So he came up to me and he was like, hey, today there's Zumba at 4 at cocktail bar, you have to come. So I was like, yeah, sure, I'll come, because obviously I couldn't say no. And then I went to the girls and I told, listen, there's a Zumba class and I think we need to go. They all were like, no, who would do Zumba and stuff? I'm like, no, you can't say no to activities. We have to do something on the island. Otherwise, it's a little boring because we didn't get any games. We didn't get anything that would entertain us, like let's say a laptop to watch a movie or something, right? So it's just us, and we can't really like keep talking 24/7, 4-5 days straight. We'll get bored. So we ended up going to Zumba, and it was so much fun. I think this was the most fun thing that we did. The guy also was super, chill, and even Navya ended up doing it, which was like a little surprising because she doesn't dance. We made him like play 2 Hindi songs. So now I'm gonna end my day and I'll show you guys all the amazing stuff underwater, basically the underwater world. So stay tuned.